Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how I created this album cover art. Now this album cover art is available for download, link in the description. They're all free and there's multiple cover arts that you can actually download as templates and then you can use them in your own project files and whatnot. Okay, so I want to kind of show you when you do download it, if you do decide to download it, how you can go about reverse engineering it to kind of create your own artwork and whatnot, and how everything is kind of organized in this file, okay? In this project. Okay, so the first thing you see, if you look on the right hand side, the layers. Okay, the layers are the most important things because that's what we're going to be editing most of the time, and of course what's on the display. So there's extra, there's overlay, there's main text background, and pre-backgrounds. Okay, so if you kind of hide everything, we kind of see how it's made up. Okay, there's pre-background, which was, this is the original kind of look that everything had. Okay, so if you just kind of solo some of these, or not solo, just you know, just one by one, look at it. So it kind of shows you how I actually created it. So all it was is a picture of like an airplane, and then I kind of what's it called, added these type of effects. So this is the picture of the airplane, just like this, right? And then I put like an overlay effects layer, and then I put like some effects on top, some more effects like these kind of. Okay, yeah, so actually in fact it was actually a picture of a just a dark background. Then I added this kind of effects, paper effects, and I added these airplanes, and I kind of just duplicated them multiple times to give it that type of look, because the song initially when I created this was called Paper Planes. So I was like, you know, it'll be interesting to get like some paper planes. Next thing I did was kind of add this effect to kind of make it a bit more fuzzy. So I kind of duplicated it. So I but I disabled this one, and then I kind of gave it this fuzzy feeling within Photoshop itself. Then I added this splash type of look. Then I added this grunge texture. Now it's kind of looking a bit more, yeah, that type of thing. So that's the pre-background, which it's not being used because that's the elements that were kind of made up what I kind of rasterized as the background afterwards. Okay, so you can see here I've rasterized the background, added some grain noise and whatnot. Then I added this effects here on top to kind of darken the image, and I put the multiply blend on it. So that's the background now. Then the main text. Okay, the main text itself, if you kind of just go one by one, I started off with, like, say, the actual name of the song itself, so you can change it to whatever you want, and you can change even the font. So if you want to change it, you can always double click itself and have to make some changes to the actual track itself. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. Then you can go to artist name, so you can enter your artist name or enter the artist name. Then you can put produced by whoever the song was produced by. Say for example it was you're the one who made the beat, or you engineered by, whatever you want to put on that byline there. Then that's the main text there. Then I got the overlay, which here is just this kind of another looking overlay, looking effects type of thing. And then I added some extras on top, and the extras essentially I added was this paper airplane and this parental advisory logo. So that paper airplane there kind of matches the name of the song as well. So that's why I added it there. And that's it, literally very simple. I think if you're going, I'm gonna make another video actually creating one of these artworks from scratch as well. But the main essence of this type of kind of creating such things like this is simply just having a background, having the main text, and actually having some sort of things that you want to add on top as well, just kind of overlays and effects to kind of make it not so digitalized, crystallized, and just clean, but make it a bit more rough around the edges and make it more, add your human touch to it. Okay, so this is another template I've created here. It's called Money. If you want to check out how I actually created this one, I did a full tutorial on my other channel and how I created this one. Link will be also in the description, or you can press the card above. But that's essentially it. You guys can go and download this, all of this. So if you go to vocalmultitrack.com, I think /graphics, then you guys can go and download this all for free. I'll be doing more videos, especially ones from scratch as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.